Alright, let's get started here. So first you want to identify some alignment points. I like to go with this line right here. Use this corner right here. Just going to bring the part in. I'm going to drop it right down in this section here. First going to expose a little bit of corner of the adhesive. This is going to be our anchor point. Just peel back about 20% of the back liner. Just bring it in here. Using that line right there, top up here. There. Looks pretty good. Go ahead and anchor it down. From here, you're going to remove a little bit more of the adhesive, or I'm sorry, the back liner. And now just lay it into place. Just go a little bit at a time. Slowly lay it into place. You want to roll it into place. Make sure you're getting no air bubbles down underneath. There you go. You're good to go.